Samsung phone be getting the new AI filter feature from the Galaxy S25? Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is introducing many new camera software features, and one of the most exciting ones is AI filters. This tool, powered by Galaxy AI, lets users create custom filters to give their pictures a unique and stylish look. But what if you don't have the Galaxy S25? There's good news. Samsung might be bringing this feature to older devices with the upcoming One UI 7 update. A recent leak from tipster Taran Vat suggests that AI filters won't be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has already rolled out this feature to the Galaxy S24 lineup with the fourth beta version of Android 15 base One UI 7.0, and reports indicate that it could soon be available on all Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series phones released in 2021 or later. If this turns out to be true, many Samsung users will get a chance to try out this AI-powered camera tool without upgrading to the latest flagship device. The expected list of devices includes multiple generations of Samsung's flagship phones. For the Galaxy S series, the update may reach the Galaxy S21, S22, S23, and S24. On the foldable side, the feature could come to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, and Z Fold 6, as well as the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, and Z Flip 6. Since AI filters are already confirmed for the Galaxy S24, it makes sense that Samsung would expand it to other recent devices. It's likely that this feature doesn't require high processing power or special hardware, which would allow Samsung to offer it on older models without major performance issues. But AI filters aren't the only Galaxy S25 feature making their way to older devices. Samsung has also introduced the Galaxy S25's log video recording feature to the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the latest One UI 7.0 beta. Log video allows for a flatter color profile, which is useful for advanced video editing as it provides more flexibility in post-processing. However, this feature may not be coming to all models. Reports suggest that the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus won't be getting log video, likely because it requires more processing power. This could mean that only premium Samsung devices will benefit from this professional-level camera upgrade. Samsung has not officially announced when One UI 7.0 will be available, but signs point to a release very soon. The company recently confirmed that it has closed the beta program, which usually means the stable version is just around the corner. Many users are eager to see if their Galaxy devices will get these exciting new camera tools, and if AI filters live up to expectations. If you want to check whether your Samsung phone is eligible for the update, keep an eye on official announcements or Samsung's software update pages. The addition of AI-powered features to older Samsung devices shows how software updates can bring meaningful improvements without requiring users to upgrade their hardware. This is an important factor for many people who hold onto their devices for several years before considering an upgrade. With AI filters potentially coming to multiple generations of Galaxy smartphones, Samsung is making sure that more users can enjoy its latest innovations. Are you excited about AI filters coming to older Samsung phones? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Is Apple really about to take a step backward with the iPhone 17 Pro? A new rumor suggests that Apple might replace the premium titanium frame with aluminum. Well, why would they do that? For years, Apple has made sure the Pro models stand out, not just in features, but in design too. They used stainless steel for the iPhone 14 Pro, then switched to titanium with the iPhone 15 Pro. That change made the Pro models lighter and more durable. Now, reports claim that Apple might go in the opposite direction by replacing titanium with aluminum across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. But here's the confusing part. While the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max may all have aluminum frames, the rumored ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air could be the only one with a titanium frame. This report comes from Apple analyst Jeff Pu, who suggests that the switch could be due to environmental reasons. Aluminum has a lower carbon footprint than titanium, and Apple has been working toward making its products more sustainable. The company has already released carbon-neutral Apple Watch models and made the latest Mac Mini more eco-friendly. So, could this be Apple's next step toward achieving its carbon neutrality goal by 2030? On paper, it sounds like a positive move for the environment. But when we look at the technical side, aluminum is a clear downgrade. It's not as strong as titanium or even stainless steel. Stainless steel has nearly twice the tensile strength of aluminum, while titanium is almost 3 times stronger. Tensile strength measures how much stress a material can handle before it breaks. Aluminum is also more prone to scratches, while titanium is highly resistant to both scratches and corrosion. And let's be honest, both titanium and stainless steel give phones a more premium look and feel compared to aluminum. So, what would this change mean for the iPhone 17 Pro? Well, it could make the phone feel less high-end than its predecessor. Apple put a lot of emphasis on titanium when it launched the iPhone 15 Pro, even making a big deal about how much lighter and stronger it was. If they suddenly go back to aluminum, it might feel like they are undoing one of their own biggest selling points. Now the real question is, will the average person actually notice the difference? For most casual users, probably not. Apple is very good at marketing, so they might find a way to make this seem like a positive change. But for tech enthusiasts and people who care about premium materials, this could be a disappointment. Another thing to consider is competition. If Apple does make this move, the iPhone 17 Pro will have to go up against the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expected to keep its strong and premium titanium frame. Meanwhile, Hublot's Pixel 10 Pro is rumored to have an aluminum frame, just like its predecessor. That means the Pixel might not be a direct threat in terms of build quality, but the iPhone 17 Pro could still lose some of its premium appeal compared to other flagship smartphones. The only exception in the iPhone 17 lineup might be the iPhone 17 Air. If this ultra-thin model is as slim as rumored, possibly around 5.5 millimeters, it would make sense for Apple to keep titanium for extra durability. Would you spend over $3,000 on a smartphone? What if it was the world's first tri-foldable device? Meet the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate Design, a phone that's making headlines not just for its futuristic design, but also for its sky-high price. And now it's finally available globally. Originally launched in China in September 2024, this phone turned heads with its massive 10.2-inch display and a launch price of $3,000. But due to high demand and limited supply, resellers pushed the price up to an unbelievable $21,190. Now Huawei is taking it global with an official price of $3,660 for the version with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. So, what makes this phone so special? First, the display. It can function in 3 modes. In its standard form, it offers a 6.4-inch screen with a resolution of 2,232 by 1,008 pixels. When expanded to dual screen mode, it grows to 7.9 inches with a sharper resolution. And when fully unfolded, you get a massive 10.2-inch display, the largest foldable screen on any smartphone. It's not just big, it's also the thinnest foldable yet, measuring just 3.6 millimeters when fully unfolded. The aspect ratio of 16:11 makes it ideal for reading, watching videos, or multitasking, giving it a unique edge over traditional 16:9 screens. Now let's talk about the folding mechanism. Huawei has designed a high-precision hinge system that folds both inward and outward smoothly. The inner hinge uses an embedded slide rail for a tight fit, while the outer hinge features a one-piece linkage structure. Plus, Huawei's multi-drive precision tuning technology makes opening and closing effortless while keeping the device slim. When it comes to looks, Huawei didn't hold back. The Mate X-T Ultimate is wrapped in ultra-thin leather, just 0.47 millimeters thick, reinforced with aerospace-grade fiber for durability. It comes in classic black and red, with a polished umber gold waistline for a premium touch. However, the design and crafted by Huawei branding on the back might not appeal to those who prefer a minimalist design. Of course, a high-end phone like this needs an impressive camera setup. Huawei's X-Mage imaging system includes a unique 10-step adjustable physical aperture, ranging from f-stop 1.4 to f-stop 4, allowing greater control over depth and low-light photography. The periscope telephoto lens offers 5.5 times optical zoom, combined with optical image stabilization for sharper images. Whether you're capturing landscapes or fast-moving objects like racehorses, the ultra-speed snapshot feature ensures you never miss a moment. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate isn't just another smartphone. It's a bold statement about the future of mobile devices. It seamlessly transforms from a phone to a tablet, pushing the limits of foldable technology. While it may not be perfect, it's a glimpse of what's to come. Would you invest in a device like this, or is it just too expensive? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.